Welcome to Biotech Labs. Today we are looking at the synthesized scorpion venom, clearly marked for medical research only. This breakthrough will change medicine.
From nature's complexity to life-saving innovation, welcome to the world of scorpion venom biotechnology. The sequencing data on panel 4 confirms the hypothesis.
Yes, the thermal cycling uniformity is well within parameters.
Note the activity cycle on specimen 4B.
Yes, metabolism appears stable at 32 degrees. Adjusting humidity now.
The movement rate seems consistent with the optimized thermal gradient we established.
Yes, and the humidity levels are holding steady at 14%.
This one is showing increased activity compared to the others. So.
Yes, let's cross-reference that with the temperature spike at 1400 hours.
Look at the temperature stability here.
Yes, remarkable consistency. The humidity levels are holding steady as well.
Note the change in activity for ID12.
Confirmed. Habitat condition remains optimal.
Did you see the spike at 1400 hours?
Yes, specimen 12B showed similar activity right before the humidity change.
Zooming in on the peptide chain now, we're seeing real-time analysis of the venom structure.
Remarkable. The simulation is holding stable.
The neuropeptide synthesis pathway is active at this receptor site.
If we modify the pain blocker compound here, we could increase its efficacy significantly.
The resolution improved after the gradient adjustment.
Yes, the peak integration looks much cleaner now.
The molecular weight confirms it's the target peptide.
The QC parameters look good on this run.
Yes, the cross-check confirms the purity data.
The chromatogram shows high purity at the 6-minute mark.
Yes, the molecular weight matches the target peptide exactly.
The
Peptide purity is confirmed at 99.8%. The batch is approved.
Excellent. I'll finalize the release documentation now.
The results confirm the hypothesis. We are ready for the next stage.
This breakthrough will revolutionize treatment protocols.
Biopeptide, medical use only. pH is stable at 7.25.
Clear. Logging the results now.
The molecular interaction confirms the block.
The simulation shows complete deactivation of the pain receptors.
This model highlights how these specific molecular structures interact along the neural pathways, influencing signal transduction in the brain. Final report submitted. The efficiency holds at 98.3%.
Excellent. This changes everything.
This compound may revolutionize pain therapy and neuroprotection. All documentation is logged on the tablet. Confirm receipt.
Received. The shipment is ready.
Lot 45B, logged and verified for the Clinical Trial Center.
Confirmed. Moving to the next shipment now.
This molecular structure highlights the key binding site. Our next phase of trials will focus on the cellular uptake data shown here. This therapy utilizes focused light to stimulate cellular regeneration directly. It's highly effective with minimal side effects.
The success rate is confirmed at 94.5%.
Excellent news. Let's finalize the report.
We've turned one of nature's most complex substances into hope for millions.
The progress we've made in biotechnology is remarkable.
Yeah.
And the ethical review process ensures we maintain the highest standard.
Thank you so much, Doctor. I feel much better now.
It's my pleasure. Keep taking care of yourself.
This is a major medical breakthrough.
A venom-derived peptide is redefining pain treatment.
The global...
When I isolate this segment, the binding site changes conformation.
See how the cyan highlights the active domain.
We should focus our efforts there.
A new era of global health has begun. The medicine is here, bringing hope to patients everywhere.
This award confirms that our work on targeted pain receptors will revolutionize treatment by 2030. We are truly honored.
From nature's danger, we've found life's healing power.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe for more stories of science and innovation.
The way they've utilized the venom for targeted drug delivery is revolutionary.
Truly inspiring work. It changes everything.
Behold the transformation. The intricate structure of the scorpion is slowly...
I wonder if the localized relief data correlates with these statistics.
It seems to suggest a strong link in these specific regions.
The time has come to embrace the power of transforming nature into healing. Thank you all.
It's not just chemistry. It's compassion, precision, and progress.
To the future of innovation.
Cheers.
Visuals. These visualizations help us understand the protein.
So the fluorescent markers attach
directly to the mRNA. Exactly.
This incredible structure behind me isn't just a display, it's a fully interactive portal to the metaverse. Let's dive in and see how it works.
As the curtain falls on this incredible evening of stories, we want to thank you for being part of our journey. Until next time, good night.
Science with purpose. Innovation with heart.